Now see here, first of all, I have made a background. How to make a background? Click here, just choose a backdrop option and choose any background you want to make. For example, I will make this one here, okay? And here I will write um, game over. Delete the first one. I will write here with the mark. You can also use the text here to write like this over, and you can make it in which color you want. For example, I want it in black color. Make it big. Make it here. Okay. Now this is the how you make the background if your ball will touch the red line. Now the program which I have made, I will show you in another video. Okay. This is just for the background. This is the first background, and this is the second background. Now I want to make this copy. Just cut it here. Control X, and I will paste it here. Control V. Then I can make it big again. So when the game will over, it will shift to this background. We'll play game in this background. So I will erase this. But when the game is over, when the ball touches the red line, it will go here. Okay. So now, so this is how you will make the background. Two backgrounds we need to make in this game. Okay.